Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes lost administrator rights in Windows 11, 10 fix. Click Start, Settings, click System, click Recovery. Click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options. Press F5 Enable Safe Mode with Networking. Right-click Taskbar, click Task Manager. Right-click, click Manage User Accounts. Click Manage Another Account. Click Change the account type. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.